Now we are doing question number 17. Question number 17 says, in an auditorium, the seats are so arranged. Question number 17, in an auditorium, the seats are RIUM. The seats are so arranged that there are 8 seats. That there are 8 seats in the first row. 11 seats in the second. 11 seats in the second. 14 seats in the third. 14 seats. Yes, if you think writing is not important, please you can jump the video a little bit forward and look the answer only. But let me write the question. Third, etc. So thereby increasing the number of seats by 3 every next row. The number of seats by 3 every next row. ROW, row. So if there are 50 seats in the last row, if there are 50 seats in the last row, how many row of seats are there in the auditorium? How many row of seats are there in the auditorium? Most of the students, because the question is quite long, that they used to get confused, but nothing to get confused about. Okay, this question is very simple. Just you need to understand the question. The question says, in auditorium, there is an auditorium and there are seats are arranged. So there are 11 seats in the first row. Okay, and second row has 14, and third row has something called 14 plus 3, it will be 17, and like this. Okay, the seats are increasing by 3 every row, and the last row has 50 seats. So by this we can understand something. There is, let me rough this one. Okay, so here, okay, so first row, okay, how much seats are there in first row? Seats in first row, that is equal to 8, which will be A1. A1 is equal to 8. Okay, seats in first row, that is A1. And so seats increasing in every row, D is equal to 3. 3 seats are increasing in every row, right? So D is equal to 3. Seats in last row, that is AN. We can write down last row, AN is equal to 50. So we need to find how many number of rows are there. So number of row, that is N, is equal to question mark. So we know this one. So now we can write AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. We know AN. What is AN? AN is 50. So 50 plus 50 is equal to, what is A? A is 8, right? So 8 plus N minus 1 and D is 3. So 50 minus 8, take 8 that side. What is left out? 3 into N minus 3 ones are 3. Okay, 50 minus 8, it is 42, is equal to 3N minus 3. So now I can write down 3n is equal to minus 3 goes this side, it will be 42 plus 3. 42 plus 3, it is 45. 3n is equal to 45. So n is equal to 45 divided by 3. 3 9s are 45. Okay. So therefore number of rows are, okay, 3 9, no, 3 15s are 45, right? So 3. Therefore the number of rows are 15. Thank you so much. This is your answer, and thank you so much. We will meet in the next video.